Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Thursday, November 14th. A chilly morning here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Frosty conditions here in the Philadelphia suburbs. Temperatures in the upper 20s in most suburban locations, the 30s in town, up and down the I-95 corridor. Today will be another chilly day, way below normal, but not quite as cold as the last couple of days. And it looks like it'll certainly turn milder for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. But then another cold shot comes to the Mid-Atlantic region for Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, as a strong cold front will push through the region around the Monday time frame. Well, let's start off by looking at this 24-hour temperature change map that we've looked at the last couple of mornings from the Penn State EWOL site. Notice the positive numbers here across the Ohio Valley, the Midwest. Much milder conditions this morning compared to 24 hours ago. And all of this milder trend is moving towards the east. Will become certainly much milder here in the Mid-Atlantic region during the day on Friday. And that mild weather will continue on Saturday, especially Sunday and Monday, where high temperatures will likely reach 60 degrees or higher throughout the I-95 corridor on Sunday and Monday. But then again, another strong cold front comes through with some rain on Monday, and it'll turn colder for Tuesday and Wednesday. Well, another very chilly morning for the deep south. This is from coolweather.com that shows all those areas that are at record lows or near record lows, within a couple of degrees of record lows for the past 24 hours. All these black dots here represent cities or towns that actually have recorded a record low on this date. Notice all the way from Pennsylvania down to the deep south. Again, the unusual nature of this Arctic air outbreak is that it traveled all the way down to the deep south, right into the Gulf of Mexico. We'll see in a moment on the surface map. The Arctic high is way down here in the deep south. This should certainly modify this air mass over the next 24 hours or so. I would not expect to see nearly this many record lows or near record lows tomorrow morning, but the last couple of mornings have been quite impressive indeed on the cold side of normal. Well, here's the current surface map. Indeed, here is that Arctic high all the way down into the southeastern corner of the country. Record low temperatures in many locations right along the Gulf coastal region. Now this high is continuing to slowly drift to the east. Notice a good flow of air out of the southwest across the middle of the country, riding up into the eastern Great Lakes right now. That will pump milder air into the Mid-Atlantic region for Friday and Saturday, and especially for Sunday and Monday, before another cold shot arrives in the Mid-Atlantic region. Well, let's take a look at some forecast maps. This is using last night's Zero's GFS, Global Forecast System model run. We'll look at tomorrow morning, Friday morning, and then Saturday morning, Sunday morning, and Monday morning. By tomorrow morning, that high is indeed off the East Coast. Southwesterly flow is starting to have an effect here in the Mid-Atlantic region by tomorrow morning, and certainly tomorrow afternoon will be noticeably milder with temperatures way up in the 50s. That milder trend will continue on Saturday as well. In fact, let's jump ahead to Saturday morning's forecast map. As of Saturday morning, a high still sitting along the East Coast. A strong southerly flow is actually starting to develop ahead of a cold frontal system that's starting to form at this time in the middle part of the country. The southerly flow of air will translate into the eastern part of the country for Sunday and Monday, and those 2 days will be quite mild indeed, milder than Friday and Saturday, which will be noticeably milder than today or yesterday. By Sunday and Monday, we'll have high temperatures along the I-95 corridor at 60+ degrees, although there will be an increasing chance for rain. And here's the forecast map for Sunday morning. Notice this southerly fetch of air here now starting to pump milder air. This red line right here kind of bowing into the western part of Pennsylvania. That'll continue to move to the north and east as southerly winds pump in milder air. Again, 60 degrees is likely up and down the I-95 corridor on Sunday, 60 to 65 degrees. And there is a chance of a shower or two, but the main part of the precipitation should hold off to Sunday night and Monday morning right here. Let's jump ahead to the Monday morning forecast map. And here's the forecast map for Monday morning. Another strong cold front working its way to the East Coast, situated right about in that region. The greatest threat for rain looks like it'll come Sunday night and Monday morning from this next strong front. Notice these blue lines here representing the next cold wave headed for the mid-Atlantic region, anchored by yet another strong Canadian high-pressure system. That all moves in on Tuesday and Wednesday. Looks like Tuesday will be quite a windy day here in the mid-Atlantic region, much colder than it will be on Monday, and that Arctic chill will continue on Wednesday as well. So kind of a roller coaster ride from very chilly conditions this morning to much milder Friday and Saturday, and especially Sunday and Monday, and then colder again, way below normal Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. That's it for now. For the SIweather.com, I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.